Buenas tardes, estimado tutor. Mi nombre es Jaime Andrés Lozano Ceballos. A continuación voy a exponer el guión sobre Personal Information y and My Family. Hello, I am Jaime Lozano. I am 22 years old. I am an engineer student. I am brown skinned. Sometimes in the morning I water garden and also prepare breakfast. Later I work on the farm from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. When I arrive, I drink some water and then I prepare a lunch. I always take a nap, but I also study a little. In the same way, when I finish, I think I should exercise and go on play soccer while I watch TV. And after a while, I continue studying at night. I see the news of what is happening in the world around us. My family. My mother is Miriam Ceballos. She is 56 years old. She is a housewife. She is from La Plata, Huila. Her eyes are brown and she has short hair. My sister is Lady Ceballos. She is a nurse. She is from La Plata, Huila. She has black eyes and long hair. My sister is Constanza Lozano. She works in a supermarket. She is from La Plata, Huila. She has black eyes and long hair. Thank you.